now.
Here, I'm gonna go.
Nope. Nope.
Hey.
Get down here. Get down.
On a sunny 4th of July afternoon in Aurora, Illinois, what started as a casual backyard hangout turned into a wild confrontation. Officers responded to a report of illegal fireworks being launched like it was a war zone, and that's when they spotted Sergio Diaz near a freshly discharged mortar shell. He tried to play it cool, grilling with friends like he didn't just launch explosives into the sky. But the moment when officers tried to ID him, he pulled a bold move, made a run for it, taking both officers down a flight of stairs. Let's take a closer look.
Hello.
How's it going, officer?
Pretty good, man. Beautiful day.
Enjoying 4th of July or what?
I am.
You want to feed, officer?
I wish.
A taco?
Yeah, right. It looks good. I see your ID
What's that? For what?
for lighting up this firework over here.
What firework?
The one I just saw you about.
Nah, I ain't lighting nothing up.
All right. What's your name?
What's the problem, officer? Come on, officer. It's 4th of July. Look at that. You hear that?
I know. All
Are you
day.
asking ID for all of them over there?
I am.
Come on, officer.
What are you talking about?
All right. I'm gonna
Everybody's
ask
popping
one more
right now,
time.
officer. Come on, man. Even in your neighborhood where you live right now, they're popping them.
Yeah.
Why you playing, officer? Come on, stop playing
You
games.
see me light it up?
I know for sure where you
You see
live
me
in
light
your
it up?
neighborhood, they're letting them
I'm gonna
go.
ask you one more time, man.
Respectfully,
I'm
you
just
see me
trying
light
to-
it up. And you in my property, guy.
Exactly, I am.
Yeah.
Listen, man.
Officer,
You got complaints?
I know in your
Hold on one
area.
sec, 'cause
What
I'm
plate?
talking. I'll talk to you. Just give me 1 sec, and we can talk. I just wanna.
It's 4th of July, officer. Come on, man. We
What
ain't
plate?
shooting guns. We're shooting fireworks.
Okay.
And we're not the only one.
What
not
license
trying
plate
to-
you, officer?
I ain't trying to be difficult with you right
I'm
now,
not being difficult with you either.
but you're making this gonna happen one way, which is not gonna be good.
Come on,
Which is gonna
officer.
be
We
with
right here.
tickets.
All right, I'm going to tell you this, officer. I'm going to tell you this.
evidence on me?
Stand 10 minutes
See
right
me
here
lighting
with
it
us.
up?
Stand
man.
10 minutes right
Listen,
here.
I don't know what you're talking about, man.
Okay, you can
I
keep
don't
saying
even
that.
gotta explain myself to you, dude.
Yeah. Actually, you do a little bit.
Come on, officer. Stand 10 minutes
I'm
right
in
here.
my-
I bet
I'm
you
in my
the whole
property.
block will
Okay.
pop them right now.
It don't matter. You can't light out fireworks in the city of Aurora.
Like I said, did you see me light it up?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
That squad's got a camera on it. I was just right over there, dude.
I know it got a camera on it.
Okay.
I ain't light it up.
Okay.
I can't.
What's your last name?
I live right here, dude.
Okay. What's your last name?
I don't gotta give you my last name. You ain't seen me lighting nothing up.
Come on, officer. You're on
Come
some
on
straight BS right now.
Here, I'm gonna go use
Nope.
the bathroom.
Nope.
Hey.
Get down here! Get down here! Get down here! Get on the ground!
Oh, hell.
Get back!
Over a firework.
Get back!
Over a firework? You getting sued.
Hell yeah, I'm gonna sue your
Step it
ass.
up. Step it
You
up.
getting sued. Over a firework.
Step
Over a
back.
firework. Nah,
Hey.
I'm not even gonna step in because you're an idiot.
Don't do that
You're
again.
an idiot. Over a fucking firework, you reacting like this.
I'm not even
Bro, you acting
resisting.
like he got a gun on him.
I'm
You
not even
stupid as fuck.
Don't do that.
Do what? I'm not doing anything.
You stupid as officer. Who the
Don't put your
you
hand down.
opening?
Just keep your hand right
Hey,
there.
babe, call my lawyer.
Dumb
Just
as
relax.
fuck.
Step back.
Come on. lawyer,
It's
man.
true. You acting like you got some firearm, you idiot.
Hey,
That's
babe,
your problem.
call my lawyer, bro.
Who the car your ass? You a idiot, bro. You better go tackle the whole Raw, Illinois. What a idiot, bro.
One in
What a
custody.
fucking idiot. Look at all these fucking dogs are gonna show up like you fucking. He got caught with a gun.
Answer off the Chestnut yard, 34.
Come this way.
91 here that way.
Put your feet up.
What a fucking dog fuck, bro.
I'm gonna get you up off the
Call
ground.
my lawyer, bro.
Put your leg up like this.
I couldn't hear you. What?
Put your leg up like this. I'll get you up.
Hey, come here, officer.
Your bottom leg.
This dude just tackled him down because he was trying to
For
use
no
this
reason,
thing.
bro.
He was trying to use a bathroom. Right
Here, I'm gonna go use
Nope.
the bathroom.
Nope. Get down here! Get down here!
What, bro? Hey, call my lawyer, bro.
Hey, man,
I'ma sue you.
Don't you agree up?
Some fucking idiots, bro.
You did not see me light nothing up.
I'll talk to you in a bit. Yeah, come talk to me, bro. Come talk to me.
You didn't see me light nothing up, bro. I don't know what you're talking about, dude. I'm gonna sue you, bro.
Okay.
Hey, babe, call my lawyer.
Spread your legs.
Babe, call my lawyer, bro.
Keep your legs spread.
I got you, bro. I got you, officer. Call my lawyer.
Do they still need more
Oh,
cars?
you can do that, bro. I'm going to do that for you. You can do that.
Call one. We're secure here.
Huh?
Yeah,
You can call your own lawyer, man. We're not going to call your lawyer.
spread your legs.
Oh, okay, that's fine. Here.
No medics needed.
Back up a little bit.
I still have code 30 if you want there.
Yeah, you're just going to focus
Code green. Clear.
We're lifting the air, Chestnut.
I'm right there, good.
Stop, man.
You want to put him in a car and take him out of here?
Am I resisting?
We're good for a second. We're good.
Okay.
All he said is, give me ID, my brother. I'm gonna use the backup. When I come back, I'll get it. Hey, he got camera footage, you know. No, you don't gotta tell him nothing. Nah, cause I'm mad. How the fuck we gonna take him in my own property? Man, he broke my dad's property. That's damaged property. Hey, he damaged my dad's property. He's moving me, dude. I'm not moving.
Just relax, man.
He pushing me, bro. I'm not
We'll
moving.
hear you out right now. Wait a minute.
Man, y'all just ruined my cookout. Damn, bro, you thirsty?
Customer I drove. I ain't got his ID yet.
I don't have my ID on me, bro.
What's your name?
Hey, babe, you got my ID? Hey, you got my ID? Bro, I'm inside my property, bro, and I was just gonna go take a leak.
Okay.
And dude, tell me, look at the
So,
look at how big.
Hold on. Let's talk to you, okay?
so remember I told you we didn't want to have to make it difficult,
Oh
right?
yeah, you're the one that did it.
Yeah. So remember I was like, hey, all I need your ID. When you try and run in the house on
Bro,
me.
did you not hear me telling my girl go get my ID? I don't have my ID.
All right, man. So we just need your name so we
Sergio.
can continue the process.
Sergio Diaz.
Okay, Sergio. What is your date of Okay.
You know, Jay's taken overtime as one of the Lincoln cars. I said, if you get out to these like houses and you see it's a party, just wait for another unit. I said, because I got surrounded twice once. And
So
there were three.
the initial time on my first pass, before I realized it was the house they would shoot them off, they're like, they put up their beer, like, hey officer, happy 4th of July,
Happy.
like being nice.
Yeah.
And then obviously I did the block, and then all of a sudden, yeah.
Bamboozled.
I was walk up, I'm like, yeah, food looks good on the grill, man, looks nice, and then,
Man.
left turn.
for a disturbance that unit is like
Hey, tell my mom to answer the phone.
where it's
Sorry, I'll take it away.
Which one of you doing okay on your tab?
So we're just the police? Don't move from there?
I didn't check his shoes, so we'll just have to pop him real quick before he goes in.
Want me to take them off, man?
Wait a second.
Here, 22.
Want me to take them off?
One second. He'll get you.
K9 respond to 3103 River Bridge. 7.
Come on. What's that? Can you come on with it? Slide it back on.
First year confirmation.
Watch that getting in.
3,000
Good.
PWLS.
I gotta put on seatbelt on you. Anything left to be done?
No, I think we're good, man. Victor's got my arrest schedule. No, it'll be complaints coming in. All good?
Yeah.
All good, man. I appreciate that. Thank you. Hey, did he have a torch on him?
Yeah, he did.
I gave it back to her because it was in his property.
Gotcha. But it's on your body cam, right?
It is, yeah. It was placed on top of it.
I'm just gonna. Which left pocket?
Yeah, it was left pocket. I pulled it out.
Okay, because I searched his right. It wasn't there.
I put it on top of the hood and then I gave it back to her.
That'll help go with the charge for the fireworks. Obviously, that shows you have the torch on them, which is common for like no fireworks. So. Cool. All right, fellas. Thanks for coming quick. I appreciate it. All right, let's get out of here. I'll meet you at 1200. Report right in here. Thanks, buddy. We're good to clear, just so these guys don't get rowdy. I appreciate you coming quick. Thank you. He tried running in the house while I was talking to him. He turned and bolted. Then the fight was on for him not to run in the house because I was right next to him. And then we fell in the bushes.
You better pay for this shit too, motherfucker.
Okay.
Let me see. Give me a badge a little bit. Come here. Give me a badge a little bit. I hope a firework is worth it. I hope a firework is worth it. Cause I'm gonna get a lawyer on your ass.
All right, man.
Over a firework, man. Let me get that badge number. Let me see.
955.
Don't move.
There ain't no badge number on it.
You fucked up my dad's porch over a firework?
All right, man. You have your stuff wonderful evening.
He's gonna be out in night on a fucking firework. Walking out of and y'all bunch of idiots. I'm motherfucking dumb as hell.
In the end, Sergio Diaz was charged with aggravated resisting arrest and obstructing and unlawful possession of fireworks. Officers recovered a discharged mortar-style firework and a large smoking container still warm on the ground. He tried to walk away like nothing happened, but ended up taking an officer down a flight of stairs before getting cuffed. All individuals are innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. And this footage, it's for educational and public transparency purposes only. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, or I might have to confiscate your fireworks next. And while you're here, YouTube says these are the next videos you need to see.